Hi there. Welcome to the first video in the series on how to use the GuardOn app. In this video, we're going to walk you through on how to get started with using the GuardOn app. First, install and launch the GuardOn app. Search for your country. Select it. And tap Continue. You can use your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account to sign in. We'll use Google. You can add a new account, or use the one you're already signed in with on your phone. Let's use the existing one. Once you've read the instructions, tap Continue. Tap Allow All to provide all permissions required by GuardOn. iOS users will have to allow each permission individually. On Android, you'll need to tap Allow on the subsequent permission prompts. Now, enter your first, middle, and last name. Then tap Next. We'll also need your best picture. Just tap the camera icon and take a selfie. Your picture will upload once you tap Next. It may take a few seconds depending on your network, so please be patient. Tap the applicable icon to select your gender. And let us know when you were born. Please volunteer as a GuardOn angel by choosing to receive safety and medical alerts. Don't forget to let us know how you can help during a safety or medical emergency. Finally, we'll need your phone number so that we can send you alert notifications. Once you've entered it, tap Send OTP. In a few minutes, you'll receive an SMS from GuardOn with a 6-digit numeric code. Copy it. Paste it in the OTP field. And tap Verify. Tap the Later button to finish setup. Congratulations! You've completed the quick setup. You'll now be looking at the GuardOn home screen, and are now a proud member of the GuardOn community. If you need any further information, please visit www.guardon.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.